All right, why Mercedes Benz Star Rewards is a scam. So Mercedes Benz has this thing called a Star Rewards program. And if you end up buying a certain number of parts from Mercedes and spending like a certain amount of money, which we'll go into, you get a 1% reward, 2% reward, 3% reward. The 3% reward is available to those who spend like the maximum amount of money, and then it plateaus from there. But I'm going to tell you why this program is basically a bait and hook program to get you to buy more parts. So when you get enrolled in Star Rewards, your caps to get a 1, 2, or 3% reward are like $7,500, $8,000, $8,500. This is manageable for me because I'm going to spend that much at a Mercedes dealership every quarter, probably more than that. In fact, I would say every quarter I probably spend around $21,000 with my local Mercedes dealer. This does not include parts from Classic or World Pack or eBay or Auto House Arizona or some of the other websites where I buy stuff. It's strictly my local Mercedes dealer. But then something happens. After you use Star Rewards for like 3 or 4 quarters, the amount of money you start to get a reward on starts to go up. So I don't get the 1% reward until I've spent $17,000 in that 3rd or 4th quarter. I don't get the 3% reward until I've spent $21,000, $22,000. And basically what Star Rewards does is it gives you your reward only if you start to spend this insane amount of money. And what it does is it incrementally and subliminally encourages you to up the amount of money you're spending at your local Mercedes dealership every quarter by about 15 to 20%. Meaning that if I bought $20,000 one quarter, the next quarter I'd need to buy $22,000 to $23,000 to get the reward. And then the next quarter, if I met that goal, I'd have to spend $24,500. And then after that, I'd have to spend something like $27,000. And it keeps going up from there. Now, I don't understand what Mercedes is trying to accomplish with this program, but it doesn't work. What am I supposed to do? Like, add this, make up like an extra, so many dollars in parts that I need? Start throwing parts at customers' cars? I'm not sure. But I know this, that because Star Rewards obviously increases the increments that they expect you to purchase to get your reward, the program is a shill. It's like just forcing people to buy more crap from Mercedes dealers. And I hate to say it, but the dealership parts departments are really not that good. In my past year working with one of my local dealers, they lost a windshield from a W108 car that they claimed that they delivered, but they never delivered. Every week when they send us our parts delivery, there's always something missing, It's like, why would I even want to do that? Plus, they have their stupid electric car narrative when you call in on the phone. I mean, I don't understand why anybody would want to pay anything. I understand that we have to deal with Mercedes dealers, but the dangling carrot of Star Rewards where you're like, oh, you could get a $500 Visa card if you spend $25,000. Or a $750 Visa card if you spend $25,700. Like the dangling carrot just gets to be too freaking much, and it's like, there's just no point to being enrolled in the program. Once you've maxed out that program and you've used it to maximize your expenditures, the total doesn't go down. You're in Star Rewards, but you're never going to quite touch that number. The number just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'd rather save the $2,000 instead of ordering parts I don't need than get the stupid $500 reward back. Makes sense? Anyway, as consumers, protect yourselves. Mercedes is not a gimmick-free company. I don't trust them. Never trusted them. They have all sorts of bullshit ideas that they keep cooking up, But but Star Rewards is just one of them. It doesn't treat the consumer fairly. They need to just give you a reward based on, like, $5,000 per quarter, I understand. It's just a $50 reward. $9,000 per quarter, I understand. Quit making it a rolling total. If any of you in MBUSA are watching, quit messing with us and making it a rolling total. You need to get the totals to a sustainable level so we actually want to participate in the program. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Tap the bell for notifications. I find that with genuine Mercedes parts, it's better to search for a good deal than it is to hope to get one from Star Rewards, because there's no substitute for buying a part at a reasonable discount. All right, see you guys in the future. Enjoy working on your own cars and not having to pay dealer markup for labor.